Yes, I had a dinner meeting with Honorable Chief Minister of Assam about 3 weeks or about a month back. It was of a casual dinner, of course, nothing official. We had discussed all the matters, and we have both decided that at the earliest, I expect that maybe in the month of October, we should be able to have this next round. Things are complex, as I said, because these are very, very sensitive areas. So we will see how we will move forward. But we have decided that at that time we mentioned that within 2 months we will try to meet. So I expect that maybe in the month of October we should be able to meet. But I'll give the exact time and date to all of you when as
So
it
supplementary to it?
No supplementary at all.
No, but just one second. There's a narrative where the government.
It's actually the second phase is much more complicated, and therefore and it's very sensitive, and hence whatever we do and however we move forward in things, we need to be very careful. So that's the reason why in the first phase